Hi Josh, good morning. Sorry, good evening. How are you? Hi Josh, good night. Also, you will be all right. Uh, the purpose of this video recording is to show you what exactly job I am doing. Here is my Google Drive. I'm going to search hotels content. Under this hotels content main folder, each hotel has its main folder, except this first one hotel. I collected all the archive pages, rest of the hotels, and put that content in the archive pages content subfolder. So what actually is happening here is that, let me show you an example. This will redirect me to this page. I clicked on very first one. This will redirect me to another booking page. I clicked here and collected 10 images from here, then close it, then move towards rooms details. After this will be heading for each room, and the other content is under that heading. Where is it? Here we can see. Yeah, this doc will contain all the home page and room details data for each hotel. And the other most important thing is images for this hotel. Here are images, and the most important thing is the data about it. Archive pages. Archive pages has its own main folder, archive pages content. Each page has its own Google Doc, and all the content is inserted in that Google Doc. So how did I do that? Let me show you. I have an archive page for this hotel, Ravenwood Motel and Vacational Rentals. This is archive page. So this is the heading for the Google Doc, and the rest of the content will be in this doc. So this is the method I am using, and I extracted all the archive pages data, all the main page, home page data for 4 hotels. Sorry, for 5 hotels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hotels. These 6 hotels are completed. All the contents are in this folder. You can access this folder. I will share you this link with you. Thank you. If you notice any mistake and the correction is needed to be done, then please explain me and guide me how I can overcome in the future. Thank you so much.